pay $50 for a bottle. The label says 100% blue agave. You see pictures of rolling fields and traditional farmers. But inside the massive industrial distilleries of Mexico, the reality is often very different. For centuries, making tequila was a slow art. It respected the plant. But today, a secret war is being fought for your wallet. It's a war between ancient tradition and modern industrial chemistry. Some of the world's most popular brands aren't selling you the spirit of Mexico. They are selling you industrial alcohol disguised with legal additives. Here is what they don't want you to see.
Okay, bring it down slowly, watch the edge. A little more to the right, drop it.
Real tequila begins with patience. This blue agave plant takes 7 long years to mature under the hot desert sun.
Here comes the heavy one.
Harvesting it is brutal, manual labor.
Slide it to the back.
A Jimador uses a razor-sharp blade called a koa to slice away the spiky leaves, revealing the heart of the plant, the pina.
It tastes like roasted sweet potato.
These massive sugar bombs can weigh over 100 pounds each. In the traditional method, there are no shortcuts. These giant hearts are stacked by hand into brick ovens, where they are slowly steam cooked for 3 full days. This turns their starches into rich caramelized sugar that tastes like roasted sweet potato. To get that sugar out, they use a tahona, a 2-ton volcanic stone wheel that gently crushes the cooked agave. It's slow, it's inefficient, but it preserves the soul of the plant. But Wall Street investors demand speed, not soul. Enter the modern mega factory. Here they don't have time to cook for 3 days. They use a machine called a diffuser. Think of it as a giant chemical car wash for plants. Raw, uncooked agave is shredded into sawdust and blasted with hot water and sometimes acids. This process extracts 99% of the sugars instantly. It is incredibly efficient, but it strips away everything that makes tequila taste good. The resulting liquid isn't rich and cloudy. It's sterile and clear, tasting more like medical alcohol than agave. So how do they sell this bland industrial alcohol as premium tequila? they fix it in the lab. Mexican law allows producers to add up to 1% of certain additives without stating it on the label. "1% sounds small, but it changes everything.
This is the industrial tequila. Notice the sticky residue it leaves behind. The traditional, it is leaf.
Your aged tequila might just be clear industrial spirit mixed with caramel food coloring. Does it feel impossibly smooth and thick? That's likely glycerin, a syrup added to fake the mouthfeel of quality. Does it smell strongly of vanilla or cake batter? Those are often artificial flavorings pumped into the tank. They are engineering a flavor profile to fool your palate. Once the chemical cocktail is complete, it's time for mass production. In these high-speed bottling halls, science and engineering take over. Thousands of bottles an hour are filled, capped, and labeled with hypnotic precision. It is a marvel of modern manufacturing. The result is a perfectly consistent product, bottle after bottle, shipped to every corner of the globe. There is nothing wrong with industrial tequila, as long as you know what you are drinking. But the next time you see a bottle labeled 100% agave, ask yourself, was it made with patience and stone? Or was it made with acid and a chemistry set? The truth is usually hidden in the taste,